Man, this dumbass truck. Alright, man. The only thing is that this truck is so fucking cool. This motherfucker parked right out in front of my house. Almost every single night. I don't know what the fuck he's doing, but I ain't gonna lie. He's got that chrome trailer. Entire thing's decked out red in the front. He's got a drop suspension up in the front of the truck. The entire thing's just badass, but man, motherfucker's trying to back up. Fucking dumbass. I don't know what the fuck's going on.